Okay, so here's my triangle. It is not a right angle triangle. This is not 90 degrees, so I'll make it known. It's 110 degrees. And this, before I even get there, let's just label my angles. A, B, C, and get you familiar with a triangle. Okay, so when we want to read a triangle and understand a triangle, it doesn't matter if what kind of angle it has, but this is how it works. Okay, guys, so please pay very close attention. The side, you see this side BC? It can be given a name. The side BC can be given a name, but the name will always be related to the angle that's across from it. So what angle is across from this side BC? What's that
Opposite.
angle? It's opposite. And the angle here is A. So therefore, my side will be A. All right. And here we have the side AC. And the angle opposite will be B. You see that? Let me see if I said it clearly. I don't want to make a mistake here. The side AC has a name. It will be related to the angle opposite of that side. The angle is B. So the side will be B. But notice how I write the B, lowercase. The angles get uppercase, the sides get lowercase. Is that clear? So you guys tell me, what will be the name of this side? AB. What would we name it?
C.
Yes, a little c. Okay, very good. So that's the first thing you need to know. Next, we're gonna make some formulas. Okay, if I want to find the length A, well, we had Pythagoras teach us that if you want to find a length, you do c squared equals a squared plus b squared. If I wanted to find the length for c, then I would start out by saying c squared. But what if you want to find the length for a? Then you'll start out with a squared equals b squared plus c squared. Now, the only interesting part about this formula is that it'll include some trigonometry, like, you know, we know about trig, we know about sine and cosine and tangent, but this thing is called the cosine rule. It's the cosine rule. All right. Whenever you're missing one of the sides and you have a angle between two given sides, you can use the cosine rule. So when you have an angle between two given sides, you can use the what? You can use the, what's the rule called?
Cosine rule.
The cosine rule. So I have an angle between two given sides. Let me show you what the value of the side is. This is 8 km. And the B is, no, the B is equal to 12 km. So I have an angle between two given sides. Therefore, I will use the cosine rule. Okay, so let's finish this formula here. It's minus 2. B, see, I have a B here. C, I have a C here. And this will be multiplied to cosine 110, or let's just put A. Let's put A because that's the angle here, A. All right. What if I was looking for B? What would be the formula? Can somebody tell me? Say I wanted to find the value for B. Let's say I didn't know it was 12 km. It was missing, right? But I had this over here. I had this angle between two given sides. Let's say I knew what A was, I knew what C is. I have this angle, but I don't know what B is. What would be the formula? Tell me. What would go here? You would put A.
C.
And what's the next thing that would come? Give it a shot. Math is not as scary as you may think. You won't see a minus sign bust out here. Like, oh, just gonna throw in a minus sign here. No, I won't do that to you. What should go here?
Plus C
Yeah,
squared.
that's right. Plus C squared minus, because everything is the same here. The 2 stays the same. But what changes here? What will this be?
A.
That's right. And,
C.
right? We're gonna have the cosine, that doesn't change. But something here changes. What kind of angle am I gonna use here?
B.
Right, because it relates to the side. Notice A relates to A, B relates to B. So math is not trying to scare you. It's not trying to trick you. So I will leave this one for you. You can do this on your own. You could figure out this last formula on your own. So we have 3 formulas for cosine, for the cosine rule. And they're all related. They all follow the same logic. They're not trying to scare you.